Why are you upset, Rosa?
Yesterday I lost my blue pen.
With whom did you sit yesterday?
I sat with Arjun.
Did you ask him about the pen?
No, I didn't.
At first, you should ask him.
Okay, let's ask him. Hello Arjun, how are you?
I'm fine.
Yesterday I lost my blue pen. Can you help me to find it?
I think I have got it.
How?
Your pencil bag is same as mine. So you mistakenly put your pen inside my pencil bag. I forgot to tell you.
No problem.
Wait, let me bring the pen. Take it.
Thank you so much. Thanks for
Thanks for